Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OnePlus Pad Go. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now you have to click install. Now click open and click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back. Now click back again and click start. And as you can see, right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.